Welcome back to another day on Car Craze, where we're driving straight into the future. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated revivals in American automotive history, the 2026 Chevy Bel Air. That's right, Chevrolet is bringing back one of its most iconic nameplates. And this isn't just a retro badge slapped onto a modern car. This is a reimagined classic, built for a new generation of drivers, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. The name Bel Air carries a lot of weight. Originally launched in the 1950s, the Chevy Bel Air symbolized American optimism, style, and performance. It was a car that defined an era, chrome-heavy, full of character, and dripping with personality. Fast forward to 2026, and Chevy is tapping into that same spirit, but with a 21st century twist. So, what exactly does the 2026 Bel Air bring to the table? Let's start with the design. If you were hoping for a boxy, chrome-clad throwback, think again, but don't worry, Chevy hasn't forgotten its roots. The new Bel Air is a fusion of classic inspiration and modern muscle. It's sleek, low-slung, and undeniably bold. The front fascia features a wide, aggressive grille that nods to the '57 original, but with a more aerodynamic shape and active shutters for efficiency. LED signature lighting outlines the headlights, which echo the dual-beam design of classic Bel Airs but with a futuristic twist. From the side, the body lines are clean and muscular, with subtle creases that pay homage to the tailfin era without going full retro. One of the most eye-catching features is the C-pillar treatment, which mimics the wraparound rear glass of the old hardtops, blending seamlessly into the rear haunches. The rear end itself is a modern reinterpretation, a slimmer LED taillights that hint at the old-school rocket design, a sculpted trunk lid, and integrated dual exhausts that roar when the throttle is pushed. Speaking of performance, let's talk powertrains. The 2026 Bel Air offers multiple engine options, aiming to please both traditional muscle enthusiasts and modern eco-conscious drivers. The base engine is a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, tuned to produce around 310 horsepower and 350 pounds-feet of torque. It's quick, efficient, and surprisingly responsive. But for those craving more, the mid-range option is a 3.6-liter V6. Pushing out 400 horsepower and delivering a more refined growl under the hood. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Chevy is also offering a performance variant, the Bel Air SS, equipped with a 6.2-liter LT2 V8 AS, the same power plant found in the Corvette Stingray. Tuned specifically for the Bel Air, it puts down a jaw-dropping 495 horsepower and 470 pounds-feet of torque. This car isn't just about nostalgia. It's about performance, presence, and prestige. And in true 2026 fashion, there's an all-electric Bel Air on the way. While full specs haven't been released yet, Chevy confirmed it'll ride on GM's Ultium platform and deliver at least 350 miles of range, with dual-motor AWD and performance figures that rival modern muscle Fs. If you're worried the electric version might lose the soul of the Bel Air, don't be. Early drive impressions suggest Chevy has managed to capture the essence of the classic while pushing the envelope into the electric future. Now, let's step inside. The cabin of the 2026 Bel Air is where past and present truly collide. Gone are the bench seats and analog dials, but in their place is something just as memorable. The dashboard design features a sweeping horizontal layout, reminiscent of the 1950s model, but fully digitized. A 16-inch curved digital display spans the driver's side, customizable to show everything from classic style gauges to futuristic navigation and performance readouts. In the center, you'll find a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen running the latest version of Chevy's infotainment system with built-in Google services, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. VAC controls are physical and nice touch in an increasingly touchscreen-dominated world, and they're styled to look like the old chrome knobs from the original Bel Air. The seats are a highlight too. Available in a variety of materials, including quilted leather and eco-friendly synthetic suede. They offer both heating and cooling, with memory presets and massage functions on the higher trims. The rear seats are spacious thanks to the car's long wheelbase, and trunk space is generous, making the Bel Air not just a style icon, but a practical daily driver. Safety tech is state-of-the-art. Every Bel Air comes standard with Chevy Safety Assist, which includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and pedestrian detection. Optional features include Super Cruise AGM's hands-free driving system for compatible highways, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree surround view camera system. Let's talk trims. The Bel Air is launching in 4 trims: LS, LT, RS, and SS. The LS is your entry point, with the Turbo 4 engine, digital cockpit, and solid tech package. The LT upgrades to the V6, premium interior finishes, and larger wheels. The RS focuses on sportier aesthetics, adding a blacked-out grille, red calipers, and more aggressive suspension tuning. Then there's the SS, the beast. It comes with the V8, Brembo brakes, sport-tuned suspension, quad exhaust, and a launch control system that'll make any car enthusiast grin. And yes, if you're wondering, there will be a limited edition Heritage Series Bel Air. Chevy's including a special paint scheme, retro badging, unique interior details like houndstooth seat inserts, and even optional two-tone paint jobs. Only 1957 units will be made worldwide, a nod to the most iconic Bel Air year ever. So if you want one, you'll have to act fast. On the road, the Bel Air feels like a grand tourer. Even with the base engine, it offers a confident, smooth ride. The electric power steering is responsive, body roll is well managed, and it feels balanced, almost like a modern-day Impala SS. With the V8, it's a different animal. The SS version hits 60 in under 4 seconds, has a throaty exhaust note, and corners like a much smaller car, thanks to magnetic ride control and a performance-tuned chassis. Chevy's decision to revive the Bel Air isn't just about nostalgia. It's about bringing a legendary name into the modern era with meaning. They've created a car that respects the past but doesn't live in it. The 2026 Bel Air is not a museum piece, it's a statement. Pricing starts around $36,000 for the base LS trim and climbs to around $65,000 for the fully loaded SS. The F version is expected to start at about $55,000, depending on final specs and battery options. In a world where crossovers dominate and sedans are fading fast, Chevy's bold move to revive a classic coupe and possibly even offer a convertible later down the line shows that passion still exists in the automotive world. This isn't just a car for collectors. It's for drivers who love the road, the roar of an engine, and the feeling of something iconic in their hands. So, what do you think? Has Chevy nailed the Bel Air revival? Would you go for the Turbo, the V8, or the upcoming F? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you liked this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drive into the future. This has been Car Craze. See you on the road.